Hello, good afternoon, good day to all of you. Today, we will discuss double entry system. Ano ang double entry system? Okay. Sa sistemang ito, nire-record ang transaction based dun sa tinatawag nating debit and credit. It says that for every change in financial setup, there would always be two-sided effect to the extent of the same amount in the accounting books. Okay, so the first is the asset of the business and the second is the claims against the business. Okay, so there. Ang mga transaction ng isang business ay kina-classify into different account, just like what is in there. Okay, the name given to that is what we call the account title. So for example, of all my transactions in the business, ika-classify ko itong transaction na bayad sa utang. We call it accounts payable. Itong lahat ng transaction na ito, bayad ng renta. We call it rent expense. Itong lahat ng ito ay bayad sa tubig at ilaw. We call it utilities expense. Okay. Accounts payable, rent expense, at utilities expense ay mga example lamang ng account title. Okay? Yung account title na tinatawag din nating account. Okay? Ang business ay mayroong 20 or more, 10 or more na account title na wino-work sa isang accounting office. It could be more. For example, kung ang pinag-uusapan natin ay SM Mall, pwedeng meron silang account title na more than 100. Okay? So probably they would be hiring siguro a lot of people to do those jobs. Okay? Para magkaroon kasi since marami ang kanilang account title sa accounting office lang nila, sigurado ako marami ding tao doon. Bago tayo mag-record ng mga transactions sa ating journal book, okay, you should answer the following questions mentally. Okay? What is the value received? Okay, so here. Okay, so number one, what is the value received? What is the value parted with? What accounting elements are affected? What are their effects to the affected accounting element? Nag-increase ba? Nag-decrease ba? Ay alin? Si asset, si liability, si owner's equity, si revenue, or si expenses? What appropriate count title will describe the effect of transaction and how much is the amount to be recorded for a particular account title? Okay? Those are the questions that we have to answer in recording transaction. Ano naman ang debit at credit? Ang debit ay ito yung value received or binayaran mo, okay, in an economic transaction. Ang debit is always nasa left. Credit is the value parted with or the value given up. Ito yung man is always nasa left, right side of your recordings. Bigyan ko kayo ng example of how we journal entry and how we use debit and credit in a journal entry. Okay, so for example, the business sold worth 25,000 from a customer. You are going to mentally answer the question, what is the value received? Nung nakabenta ka, ano ang na-receive mo? Diba? It's cash. So, naka-debit si cash. That is 25,000. And then, ano ang value parted with? Ano ang equivalent ng cash na na-receive mo? That is sales. You record 25,000 sales, and then at the bottom of this journal entry, you are going to put a short description starting with the word to record to describe this transaction. So that's how we journal entry. Okay, we mentally answer these questions. Ano ang value na na-receive ko? Ano ang value na na-parted with? Ano yung accounting elements na affected? Cash is an asset. Sales is a revenue. And then, what are the effects to the to the accounting elements? It increase in cash, it increase in sales. So those are just an example. See you next time. Goodbye.